hate when I do that shit.
Forgot to hit the record button.
Just sitting here. Just sitting here looking at my screen, pretending.
Yeah, I like my little pause.
Hey, check him out. He got the whole damn lemon in his mouth. He said, I'm rolling back to the house with this thing.
I like that pause button though.
Yeah.
That cuts so much editing out. And then it cuts so much time of storage, you know what I mean?
Right.
That's what I be thinking when I'm not doing anything with it. When that other video the other day, it was like it was just rolling and rolling, and I didn't use none of it. That was peaceful when I was laying out.
Yeah.
Damn, I need to give me another one of them things.